Great question, Sini. Well, many codes require precise formatting like specific line spacing, margin sizes, and even font types or sizes. They would want to insert unique watermarks to specific pages as well. With Zoho Writer, law firms can easily meet those formatting needs. For example, we can use styles which let us define and apply the formatting quickly across the entire document.
Sounds helpful. But what if we need more control over elements like, say, page numbers, headers, or footers? Can Zoho Writer handle that too?
Sini. Zoho Writer provides features like customizable tables, headers, footers, watermarks, and page numbering. All these can be set up with just a few clicks. So whether it's ensuring consistent page numbering or adding a legal disclaimer in the footer, everything can be done easily in compliance with the legal standards as well. Let me show you a demo of how this can be done quickly so that you will get a better understanding. So here is a document where we have inserted various features that we just talked about. So here you can see that we have used style formatting to format the document. And for the page setup, we have used legal paper size. So you would want to make sure that the document comprises of the legal standards. So you can make use of the paper size legal if you're working on the legal terms. Furthermore, we have also added various headings like heading 1, heading 2, and we have used numbers list as well. And here in this specific document, I do not want the watermark to be across the documents, across all the pages. For example, if I would like to insert a watermark to all the pages, what I can do is I can simply go to the page setup from the left panel and go to document level setups where I'll be able to insert watermark for all the pages in the document. But if I'd like to insert only for a specific document, what I can do is I can insert it as a header and arrange it accordingly so that the watermark can be added into the header section. So here you can also see that I've used different first page as the header option so that only the watermark that I've inserted will be displayed in the first page, leaving out the remaining pages. And not only this, we also have set up footers. As you can see here, we have confidential information. So we have added footer notes as it compliance with the legal terms. So furthermore, we also have various options for you to customize, where you'll be able to use numbers list, add a table to the document, and all the other features as well.
That's great. That sounds really efficient, Gautam. So using these tools, law firms can save time while ensuring their documents are formatted according to the legal guidelines. Am I right?
Exactly. It's all about making the process smoother and faster while ensuring accuracy. These features are tailored to help law firms produce documents that meet strict legal guidance with minimal effort.
That's great. So, Gautam,